Sing high your ho, let every creature know I'll swim where'er I choose to go, on rippling wave or tidal flow. Oh, no lark's as blithe as me. Sing hey mate way, let no beast bar my way. To frowning faces I will say, cheer up and smile now, come and play. Oh, be happy on this day. Don't cry, 'tis I who laughs at misery. So young, so full of life and free, with all the seas to roam and see. Oh, Mother Nature, listen to me. I thank thee gratefully.